Clever stat baby. Clever stat baby.
Hey boy, why are you sleeping while I'm busy teaching?
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was, huh?
Why you are teaching while I'm sleeping?
You boy, you don't listen. You want to be a problem here. Okay? I will ask you one question before I punish you. If I put money here and brain, which one will you take?
Wait a minute.
I'll take money.
Why are you a fool?
So what will you take, teacher?
I'll take brain. I'm clever.
Yeah, teacher. You are right. Everyone takes what they don't have.
Oh my God! What do you say?
Everyone takes what they don't have.
What?
Pro by boy killer. Pro by